Discipline, the foundation of getting out of debt. One of the most important skills in managing debt and building financial stability is discipline. Without discipline, even the best budgeting plan can fall apart. Discipline means making consistent, sometimes difficult choices today that will lead to financial freedom tomorrow. Avoid using your credit cards. Credit cards can easily become a trap, leading you deeper into debt. Every swipe may feel small, but it adds up quickly. Put your credit cards away, delete them from your online shopping accounts, and make a rule to use only cash or a debit card for purchase. Don't take out any new loans. If your goal is to get out of debt, avoid adding more. Even small loans can create a cycle that's hard to break. Focus on paying off what you already owe before taking on new obligations. Say no to payment plans, even with zero interest. These offers may sound attractive, but they can encourage spending beyond your means. A payment plan is still debt, and the habit of constantly committing to future payments keep you from enjoying financial freedom. Believe strongly in your ability to pay off your debt and save money. Your mindset matters. Discipline is easier to maintain when you remind yourself why you're doing it. Less stress, more freedom, and the ability to save and invest for your future. Here's a practice to build discipline: the 24-hour rule. Whenever you feel the urge to make a non essential purchase, wait 24 hours before deciding. Write the item down in a notebook or a budgeting app and ask yourself, do I really need this? Can I pay cash for it? Will it move me closer to or further from my debt free goal? After 24 hours, if the item still feels necessary and you can afford it without credit, then you can consider buying it. This simple habit trains your brain to pause, reflect, and make intentional financial decisions rather than impulsive ones. Over time, it strengthens discipline and makes avoiding unnecessary debt much easier. When it comes to mental and emotional side of life, a lack of discipline often hides behind a deeper lack of self-worth and self-love. If on a subconscious level you believe that you are not worthy or lovable, then developing the discipline to change your life won't feel meaningful or sustainable. To maintain discipline on this path, it's essential to create change at a subconscious level. You must build the belief that you are truly worthy, valuable, and lovable. When you hold this belief within yourself, discipline is no longer a struggle. It becomes a natural expression of the respect and love you already carry for your life and your future. In the next chapter, I will teach you three powerful techniques to shift your mindset.